Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 13. So freebie number 13 is this one here. As you guys know, this is a series I do every year throughout the month of December from the 1st to the 24th. I'm gifting you one freebie from 24 of my very popular best-selling kits on my website. And today I'm gifting you this page, which I'll show you in just a second, which has been designed from my very popular vintage Flora digital papers. I'll put the links down below if you guys wish to go and check it out. This kit is a mix of very vintage flowers, pressed flowers, and I mount them on some music sheet. Okay, so there's a lot of pages. They're all very similar, but the flowers are very different colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through that with you guys. So you got the roses, all different scales, all different flowers. I am horticultural challenge. I don't really know the names of the flowers. I'm sure you guys are an expert on that, so I'm not even trying to name any of these flowers. But I can see there are some roses. I can see there are some marigold. Is that marigold? I'm not gonna mention that because no. Few pages with tags. I love these tags. Love it because they got that sort of like vintage feel, like playing with music sheets. And then you can use this and layer them on top, so you can do anything that you want with them. There's few pages with tags. Oh, love, 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 love. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. I just love the colors combination with this very bright pink and this pale olive green. It's not olive. Is that olive green? Let's call it pale olive green. It's like an olive but pale. Oh dear me. Right, so another page with tags. This is a very large kit. There's a lots of pages in here. And what I did here, guys, I shrunk 4 of the backgrounds into this size, so you can simply fussy cut it and use it for if you make like greetings card or vintage cards or mini notebooks if you fold them in half, or you can do like a very large tags. You guys decide. And then there is a page with huge envelope. In fact, it doesn't even fit on my camera. So this is the 2 tabs. This is the scallop from the top, and then you just fold that. So imagine you fold that up, that goes inside. That is the lid of the envelope. And then there are 2 extra backgrounds that you guys can use because the colors matches these papers here. Okay, so this is the kit and it's called Vintage Flora, and this is the freebie. Let me show you. So I took one of the pages and I have added some more pale flowers and some gorgeous bees. Okay, let me show you where to download this freebie. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, now that you saw my Facebook group and how to download them, let's finish the video with a positive note from my 365 Days of Calm. Is a book full of quotes, affirmation and activities to bring calmness every single day. and today is number 39. Let me cover tomorrow so I don't spoil them. So number 39, I am amazing. I want to add and fabulous. I am amazing and fabulous. Never forget, guys, your worth, and always remember that you are fabulous in everything you do, and you are amazing. And don't forget to tell others as well, because it's always nice to spread kindness and positivity. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Do you need some more ideas and inspiration? You know how much I love origami project, and I'm going to showcase 2 videos that we made this year, 2 different projects, super easy origami techniques. So keep watching guys, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.